These incredible animations you're seeing right now were all created using a new, innovative AI tool, and the best part, it's completely free. This tool allows anyone, yes, even you, to generate stunning animations and bring your creative ideas to life with just a few prompts. No experience? No problem. This AI does all the heavy lifting for you. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of creating your own animation using this powerful AI. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along and start creating right away. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered animation, stick around. This tutorial is going to change the way you create content forever. There are tons of AI tools out there that can help you create animations, and if you've been following the channel, you've probably seen me talk about a few of them. Tools like Pixverse, Hyper, AI Runway, and even Vigel AI have all made their mark in the space. But today, we're going to dive into something a little different: Kling AI. This is a powerful AI tool that I'm really excited to show you. It's got a lot of potential, and I think you're going to love what it can do. First, search for Kling AI on Google and click on the first website that appears. You'll be greeted with an amazing interface on your screen. Kling AI has three main sections: AI images, AI videos, and a video editor. While the video editor isn't fully ready yet, the image and video generation tools are more than enough to create stunning content. For now, we're going to focus on the AI images section. Here's where the magic happens. In the prompt box, you'll need to write a detailed description of the image you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the results.
For instance, if you're creating an image of prompt large gecko in natural habitat, be sure to put specific details you want the AI to capture.
Now, there are three ways you can refine your prompts to get the best possible image. First, you can use Kling AI's own suggestions, which are pretty helpful if you're not sure where to start. Second, you can consult other AI tools like ChatGPT to enhance your description. And finally, you can look at what others have done, search for similar works, and replicate the structure of their prompts. Next, you'll want to choose the size of your image. Kling AI offers different sizes, so pick the one that fits your needs. You can also decide how many images you want to generate. Since Kling AI gives you 66 free credits daily and the images don't use up a lot of credits, I recommend generating multiple images to give yourself more options. Once everything is set, just hit the generate button and let the AI do its thing. In a few moments, you'll have a set of images to choose from. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, don't worry, you can tweak the prompt or provide a reference image and try again until you get the perfect shot. Let's move on to one of the most exciting features: creating videos using text prompts. With Kling AI, you can turn a simple text description into a fully animated video. It's pretty impressive, but there are a few things to keep in mind to get the best results. First, just like with images, you'll start by writing a detailed prompt that describes the video you want to create. This could be anything from a peaceful forest scene to a bustling city street. Once your prompt is ready, you'll need to set the level of creativity or relevance. If you're looking for something more imaginative, choose a higher creativity level. But if you want the video to closely match your description, go for higher relevance. Now, Kling AI also offers a professional mode, which is great if you need more control, especially for videos longer than 5 seconds. However, keep in mind that this feature is part of the paid plan. You can also choose specific camera movements, like panning or zooming, which can really add a cinematic touch to your videos. Once everything is set, go ahead and press the generate button. In a few moments, your video will be ready. If it doesn't quite match what you want, don't worry. You can refine the prompt, just like with images, to get closer to your desired style. Text to video is a powerful tool, especially for generating realistic scenes. It's amazing how much you can achieve with just a few words. But remember, the key is in the details. The more specific you are, the better the AI can bring your vision to life. Since videos can get lengthy, it's best to keep them concise. Kling AI's image to video feature allows you to animate still images, adding dynamic movement for more engaging content. Simply import your image into the image to video section, then add a prompt to guide the animation. Animating images with Kling AI opens up a world of creative possibilities. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different images and prompts. Each one will give you a unique result that can add a lot of value to your content. And that's a wrap. We've covered a lot today, from generating stunning images to creating dynamic videos using just a few prompts. Whether you're starting with text or animating an existing image, Kling AI offers powerful tools to bring your creative ideas to life. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to explore what AI can do for your content creation. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.